Good evening, everyone. My name is Supakorn Yoshino, and my student ID38277. And yep, just wait. I have to log into models. So this assessment is the part of the server administration fundamental, and today I'm going to show you how to use Active Directory to create the organizational unit and the group policy object. And then we're gonna put the user into the group and disable them not to be able to access to the control panel. Yep. So before we getting started, we have to visualize the server. In this time, I'm gonna use Oracle VM VirtualBox. And yep, so we are gonna visualize two windows. The first one is the Windows 2012 server R2, and then the second one is the Windows XP. And is to be have at a client window, and this window is already been connected to the server by using domain name. Okay, so what is the organizational unit? The organizational unit is the place that we can put or gather the user and the computer together, and just it's easily to organize and administrate them. And the group policy object is the policy that we will apply it to the organizational unit group. So in order to prevent the user to configure or do something wrong with the computers. And so this time, so we're gonna create the organizational unit by going to tool. Yep, and going to group policy management. And we have to right click on the domain name and then new organizational unit. So you have to set the names of the organizational unit. So this time I'm gonna set it easily to student OU. And so we have to create a group policy by going to the group policy object and then right click and new. So we're gonna create a name for the group policy. This time I'm gonna set it for student GPO. Once the group policies is created, we have to do some of the configurations on it. So we have to right click on the student GPO and then edit. And so we're not gonna do any configuration about the computers. We're gonna do about the user configuration. So we're gonna go to policy and then administrative template. So this time we're gonna disable user not to be able to access to control panel. We have to go to control panel and then select the prohibit access to control panel. Alright, so wait just a second. Before I apply this policy into the group, I have to show you something. So we have to log into the client window. So I'm gonna log in my name, my user account in it. So go to start. See, there's still some of there's still control panel menus here, and once you click, you still be able to access all of the functions in the control panel. All right, so because we haven't applied the group policy into this account yet, so I'm gonna log out. Alright, so back to the Windows server. So it is configured as not configured, but this time we're gonna enable it and then apply and then OK and then close the group policy management. Yep, and we're gonna apply this policy to the organizational unit by dragging student GPO to the student OU and then OK. Alright, so yeah, everything is finished, but we haven't add any user in this group yet, so we have to go to Active Directory users and computers. Alright, so you have to arrow down your domain names, and then you're gonna see there is gonna be the student organizational unit here and then user. See Alright, we have the username Supakorn Yoshino, and then we're gonna drag user here into the student organizational unit, and then yes, and then alright. So now in the organizational unit student OU, they have the member's name Supakorn Yoshino, and then we're gonna use this account lock into the client windows. So just a second. Yep. So it's gonna be Supakorn. Alright, I'm gonna log into this one. Alright, see? Once we log in, and there's no control panel here. Now this user, like the members in this group, the members of the student OU group will not be able to access to the control panel, so they cannot do any setting of the window to the window. Okay, thank you so much for watching.